Hi, welcome to Kitchen Revelations. Today's recipe is cake ganache or icing. Ganache is glaze, sauce or filling for pastries made from chocolates and cream. However, here it has been made without using chocolates, whipped cream or icing sugar. So let's start with chocolate ganache or frosting. For this, I am using Cadbury unsweetened cocoa powder. Add 3 heaped tablespoons of this cocoa powder. Add 4 heaped tablespoons of sugar. I have used here normal granulated sugar and not icing sugar. Now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. To this powder mixture, add 200 ml or half a glass of boiled and cooled milk. Mix well. Ensure that there are no lumps and then heat on very low flame till the sauce thickens. Once the sauce has become thick, add 1 teaspoon of butter. This will add nice gloss and shine to your chocolate sauce. Please note, if you need a thick sauce, cook on medium heat for some more time or add little more corn flour. For a thin sauce, add milk as required. Ensure that you stir continuously while heating, else there are chances that this ganache or the sauce will burn and stick to the bottom of the pan. So, our chocolate ganache is ready. Once it cools down a bit, pour directly on your prepared cake or put into icing bags for decorating your cake. You can store this ganache in the refrigerator up to 1 week. Next is white cake frosting. In a pan, add 3 heaped tablespoons of milk powder. Add 2 heaped tablespoons of corn flour. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. To this powder mixture, add 200 ml or half a glass of boiled and cooled milk. As said earlier, mix everything well. Ensure that there are no lumps and then heat on very low flame till the sauce thickens. Stir continuously so that the sauce doesn't burn and stick to the bottom of the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of butter for a glossy and shiny effect and then remove from heat once it has achieved desired consistency. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or the essence of your choice. Mix well and allow it to cool down. A tip to remember: if you find your sauce very thick and at the same time you need a smooth consistency, add the sauce to a mixer jar and blend well for 30 seconds. This will result in a creamy texture. Our white cake frosting is ready. Enjoy decorating your cakes with this easy peasy cake frostings with simple ingredients and surprise your loved ones. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.